today's project, we're going to be cleaning up this planting bed on the west side of the house. We'll need to install some plastic edging that keeps the mulch from washing down the hill. We're going to clean up all the rocks that are near the spigot. We're going to trim up the azaleas. Then we're going to dig up all the mulch. We're going to regrade the dirt away from the house. And then we're going to reinstall mulch. So let's get to work. Under these rocks is a layer of landscape fabric. Quite a bit of dirt and mulch have accumulated over the last couple of years. I moved the rock around and used my leaf blower to clean out the area. The new edging I install should keep this area a lot cleaner. The edging I'm installing is a hard plastic pound-in style. It comes in 1-foot segments. When we installed the concrete border for the planting beds, we went with a flush design so I could mow right up over it. Didn't realize though at the time how much mulch would wash into the lawn with each rain. The new edging should keep the mulch in place and still allow me to mow right up to it. I bought the new edging from Amazon. It comes in packages of 20. It comes with spikes to secure it, but having it right up against the concrete border should keep it in place nicely. I'll leave a link in the description. Installation is easy. I just use the edge to clear any rocks, then pound it in with a rubber mallet. The pieces interlock and are sturdy enough to go right into the ground. We have 4 azaleas in this section of the bed. I haven't trimmed them in a couple of seasons, so I'll get them shaped up, clear out any of the dead branches, and remove the lowest shoots. Also make sure they're trimmed away from the house to keep insects off the foundation. Next task is to remove all the old mulch. Normally I'd leave it in place and just top dress it with new mulch, but this area needs to be regraded. Need to make certain that the rainwater flows away from the house instead of back towards it. So we'll remove all the old mulch and repurpose it elsewhere. Here I'm loosening up the soil and pushing it back toward the house. I'll get it sloped nicely away from the house and then tamp it down with a hand tamper. I'll end up using the old mulch in the woods. I have a hosta bed back there that needs some attention. That looks like it'll be a project for another day. In fact, there are a lot of projects for a lot more days back here. And now for the fresh mulch. I'll end up using about 6 bags on just that azalea section alone. Put it on about 3 to 4 inches thick, just to make sure the weeds can't get a good foothold. Once I get it spread evenly in there, I'll come back with the hand tamper and tamp it down, and then just a matter of cleaning up and watering it in. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one.